The Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV, like its predecessor the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III, is tall, expensive, and full to the brim of cutting-edge specs. When it comes to building flagship smartphones, Sony does things a little differently to the other major brands, drawing on its peerless expertise in various fields to create something for the true enthusiast. You won't find another phone with quite the same characteristics as these two titans. So let's turn the comparison inwards. How much has Sony been able to improve its premium smartphone formula in 12 months? Sony hasn't messed with the design much between the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III and the Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV. That's fine with us, as no other Android manufacturer is making phones that look like this. Both phones are unusually flat and angular, with the kind of perfectly flat display that's only just showing signs of coming back into fashion. They completely omit the modern scourge of the display notch too, with slim foreheads just about containing the obligatory selfie camera. The two phones fill an identical footprint, with the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III and Xperia 1 Mark IV measuring in at 165 by 71 mm. In terms of weight, the new smartphone is 1 gram lighter than the 186 grams version of the Xperia 1 Mark III. At the same time, the fourth version of the phone has Gorilla Glass Victus protective glass, but Xperia 1 Mark III features Gorilla Glass 6 backs and Gorilla Glass Victus on the front, and both have aluminum frames, and both have a comprehensive IP65 and IP68 dust and water resistance rating. The sheer tallness of both phones, courtesy of a 21:9 screen aspect ratio, means that neither is very easy to wield in one hand. You can reach the opposite side just fine with your hand, but good luck getting much further than halfway up the display. Both phones feature 3.5mm headphone jacks, which is pretty darned extraordinary in a mainstream flagship phone. Rounding out a phenomenal audio provision, both phones also have front-firing stereo speakers. The Sony's design work is lovably unique, you could say the same for its displays. Both of these screens are 6.5 inches big, with an unusually tall 21:9 aspect ratio. Both phones are also capable of a headline-grabbing 4K resolution output, or 1644 by 3840 to be precise. That's as sharp as you'll find on a modern smartphone. Not every application and task will take advantage of this 4K resolution, and the difference isn't as noticeable as Full HD to QHD, let alone HD to Full HD. But load up a 4K 21:9 video on YouTube, and you'll be suitably impressed. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark III and Xperia 1 Mark IV add one major thing to the package, the potential for a 120Hz refresh rate. So this year's Xperia 1 Mark IV has only a few upgrades. They are important though. For example, the screen is 50% brighter than Mark III. Under the hood, there's an upgraded Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, so the Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV looks set to be even more powerful than its predecessor, and should match up to recent rivals like the OnePlus 10 Pro and the Oppo Find X5 Pro. Performance is a pretty straightforward generational bump from the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III to the Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV. The former Snapdragon 888 was fast first time, but it's been superseded by the latter Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Both phones, the Xperia 1 Mark III and Xperia 1 Mark IV, sticks with 12 gigs of RAM regardless of the model. Storage capacity is 256 gigs, with the 512 gigs tier also available in some markets. Better yet, you can expand it via the microSD slot, which is a real rarity in the premium segment. Having further refined the camera's photographic capabilities in the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III with a world-first unique dual optical telephoto lens and real-time eye autofocus, this new model focuses on improving its videography. But there have been a few other changes worth knowing about as well, even though the two phones look almost identical. Let's start off with the camera system, because that's the main focus of the new Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV. While the main camera setup itself is largely the same with three 12-megapixel lenses, the front camera has been boosted from 8 to 12 megapixel, and a few new features have been added to the mix. Last year's Sony Xperia 1 Mark III introduced the world's first periscope lens for a continuous optical zoom that shoots at 70 to 105 mm, but the Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV takes things a step further, extending its optical zoom lens to 85 to 125 mm. Ultimately, the new moving lenses will mean better quality zoom that doesn't rely on digital cropping, a faster zoom, and overall more flexibility when shooting on the camera. But as I mentioned before, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV really hones in on video recording with a few improvements on certain features like more seamless zoom and video capture from its ultra-wide angle to its telephoto viewpoints, as well as brand new features like 4K cinematic 5x slow-mo video, multi-frame shooting, and a high 4K recording frame rate of 120 FPS. You'll be able to use the enhanced real-time eye autofocus tracking across all three lenses for still images, but it'll even work when you're shooting video. Videography Pro is also worth knowing about. Made for streamers, it lets you stream directly to your social media channels from the camera, so you can still make use of all the camera system's controls and settings including the IAF and object tracking. You'll be able to mix player voice and game sound into your footage before you share it to social media as well. This wasn't possible before without having to use a PC. The phone boasts a bigger 5000 mAh battery as well, up from 4500 mAh in the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III, and it packs in faster charging too, giving you 50% battery in only 30 minutes. Also, both phones support 30-watt fast charging, which can get it to 50% in half an hour. Note that this year there will be no bundled charger. Sony is presenting this change as part of its green initiative. It is allowed for a smaller retail box, and Sony also made sure it does not contain any plastics. In total, CO2 emissions have been reduced by 36%. It's no surprise to learn that the Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV is a similar yet slightly better phone than its immediate predecessor. Its appearance and build quality are very similar to the Xperia 1 Mark III, as well as its core feature set. But the newer phone is a notch faster, has slightly better stamina, and it adds a 50% brighter display. In terms of cameras, the upgraded Xperia 1 Mark IV has received some improvements, both for the main camera and for the front camera. In practical terms, however, there's little to call between these two phones. They're both very expensive, so if you see the Xperia 1 Mark III heavily discounted over the coming months, it could prove to be the better purchase. Otherwise, money no object, the Xperia 1 Mark IV is one of the best phones on the market. Thanks for watching. Which smartphone is better? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and see you soon.